rain's might. Our hearts are buried beneath an endless night. Your touch is frost, your gaze is the storm's eye. We're adrift in the void where we lay to die. Black rain's might. Our hearts are buried beneath an endless night. Your touch is frost, your gaze is the storm's eye. We're adrift in the void where we lay to die. No need for forgiveness, no place for pain, no together in the blackest rain, as the last light fades from our eyes. I know this is where love truly dies. With shattered hands we let the dark win. No more beginnings, no hope to cling. To rest, we wear scars like chains on our chests. No warmth to hold, no fire to spark, just endless nights and endless dark. No need for redemption, no need for tears. We burned in the shadows, we fed on fears. As the last breath escapes with a sigh, drowning our final cries. Darkness consumes, we decay without a trace. We're lost where silence lays. We are lost where silence lays. And in this grave where love lies to rest, we wear scars like chains on our chests. No warmth to hold, no fire spark, just endless nights